Good morning, Visalia. Today we have a 2015 GMC Acadia. We have dual problems. It's a high mileage vehicle. It has 190,000 miles. One problem they have is with the O-rings and the heater hose system. So we're going to start off with replacing that O-ring. Also, looking for that leak, I found a leak in the radiator, which isn't surprising with 190,000 miles. It's a little bit of a job. Got to get the bumper on and off. I'm saving the customer, it looks like probably right around 600 bucks. We'll see you at the end of the day. All right, we're about halfway there. Got everything apart. Got that old radiator out. What I found was a little bit of seepage down in that aluminum core. They had a few misdiagnoses, tried a few other little things. That leak is hard to find, but there it is. All right, back to it.